Golden Aura Tutorial. Manifesting your golden aura involves connecting with your inner self and the universe, using visualization and positive affirmations which bring about peace, abundance, and positivity. Imagine a golden light radiating from the center of your heart, spreading out in all directions. This golden light is your inner self, your true essence. Imagine a golden aura around your heart. Imagine your golden aura within your heart. Imagine your aura expanding and becoming brighter with each breath you take. Allow your aura to envelop you, protecting you from all and filling you with positivity and abundance. As you imagine your golden aura, repeat these positive affirmations: I am filled with abundance and positivity. I radiate love and joy. I am worthy of all the blessings in my life. Allow them to sink deep into your mind. Practice gratitude. Take a moment to think about all the things you are grateful for in your life. Focus on the positive aspects of your life and allow yourself to feel grateful for them. As you practice gratitude, your golden aura becomes even brighter and more powerful, filling you with peace and contentment. Manifesting your golden aura involves connecting with your inner self, visualizing your golden aura around your body, using positive affirmations, and practicing gratitude. You can cultivate abundance and positivity that radiate from you, attracting positivity and abundance into your life. Manifesting your golden aura is a powerful way to connect with your inner self, the universe, peace, abundance, and positivity. Your golden aura connects with your inner self and the universe, which brings to you peace, abundance, and positivity. Imagine a quiet and comfortable place where you can relax without any distractions. Sit down and make yourself comfortable, and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, hold it for a few seconds, and then exhale slowly. As you exhale, allow yourself to relax more and more deeply. Take another deep breath in, hold it for a few seconds, and then exhale slowly, feeling more and more relaxed with each breath. I want you to imagine a warm, golden light radiating from the center of your heart. This golden light is your inner self, your true essence. Allow this light to spread outwards in all directions, filling you with peace, harmony, and positivity. As you continue to imagine this golden light, repeat the following positive affirmations to yourself: I am filled with abundance and positivity. I radiate love and joy. I am worthy of all the blessings in my life. Allow these affirmations to sink deep into your mind, filling you with confidence, positivity, and abundance. I want you to imagine your golden aura around your body. Imagine your aura expanding and becoming brighter with each